are always curious about our surroundings. We observe and interpret information and details in our minds, such as the sound of birds chirping, the touch of the bark of a tree, the color of the grass, or even the smell of flowers. Engage us in conversations about what we see, hear, touch, smell, and even taste. Did you know that museums are places where we can broaden and expand our thinking?
What do you think is happening in this painting?
I don't know.
Look at what the man is holding.
Oh, he is holding a camera. I think this man is on a holiday.
Why do you say that?
Because he is taking pictures of the mountains and lakes. There are people in a big boat. I think they are on a holiday too.
What would you be doing if you are in this painting?
I would be on that big boat with you and Daddy.
What an interesting sculpture. What do you think it is?
I think it is a giraffe. Maybe it is a dinosaur.
I can see why it could be a giraffe. Why do you think it could also be a dinosaur?
Because there are some dinosaurs with long necks too. Give us time to respond, as we need time to process and understand what we observe. Ask us open-ended questions so that we can explore and think about different perspectives and ideas. This helps enhance our observation skills and boosts our critical thinking skills. For more tips from our educators, you can visit these websites.